Welcome to this tutorial on how to install the VitalQuartz TapFilter on-tap filtration system. The box includes the tap filter with a pre-installed cartridge, an adapter for taps with a diameter of 22 or 24 mm, and a rubber gasket. You may need to use a pair of pliers. First, install one of the rubber gaskets in the filter's connector. Then, unscrew the tap swirler. If the spout of your tap swirler is female, meaning that the threading is on the exterior of the spout, place the rubber gasket and screw the valve directly onto the tap. If the spout of your tap swirler is male, meaning that the threading is on the interior of the spout, first install the adapter, then install the filter. You may need to gently tighten the valve with a pair of pliers. Pull the lever of the valve to the horizontal position and turn on the cold water. Be careful, you must only use cold water with the tap filter. Hot water would damage the cartridge. Let the water flow for a few minutes in order to rinse the cartridge of any activated charcoal dust until the water runs clear. Now, let's see how to install the replacement cartridge. On average, the cartridges have a 1-year lifespan. Unscrew the valve and remove the filter from your tap. Unscrew the top part of the tap filter and remove the used cartridge. We recommend cleaning both parts of the tap filter at this stage. If possible, lubricate the black O-ring with food-grade silicone in order to make it last longer. Insert the cartridge firmly into the bottom of its housing. Screw the top all the way back, gently. Install the filter back on the spout of the tap. Turn on the cold water for a few minutes until the water runs clear. You can now enjoy filtered and vitalized water directly from your tap.